Hi my friend, Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading analyst video. Today we're going to be looking at a possible trading scenario on the Swiss franc Japanese yen that has been rallying pretty hard as of late. And have we reached a top, and is a 1,000 pip move on the cards? In this video we're going to find out and dissect price action charts. So before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now, hit the thumbs up, and let's get into today's video. So a little bit of change of scenery today. I'm up in Chiang Mai in the north of Thailand for a week or so here, just up visiting some family. So I'm actually staying in a hotel room at the minute. So it is a change of scenery from my previous videos. So let's head over to TradingView first. This is an idea that I've posted earlier today, and you can head over and you can actually read the post on TradingView, the reasons behind this trading setup. And if you want to get instant access to the trade ideas that I post before I have time to upload videos, just make sure you are following me on TradingView, the FX Ace. Now I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today, so if I am coughing or burping, just excuse me. So I've had a little bit of a flu the past week. So I'm just going to remove all drawings here, and we're going to head over to, we'll just hide the TRFX indicator first. Now I will show you at the end of the video how to access this indicator absolutely free, and we'll just hide that. So we want to look at pure price. Firstly, we want to head over to the monthly charts. Now this pair has been doing a really rare thing in FX, and that is creating all-time new highs. It is very rare that you actually see this happening, all-time new highs and all-time new lows in FX. So this is when skill of reading price charts comes into play, and the telltale signs that you're going to learn when the market is looking like it's topping out and ready to turn. So we're going to learn this now. And if you would like a more in-depth education into what I'm talking about in this video, you can watch the playlist. I think it's either left or right, which is my introduction to price action, where I explain everything I'm going to share with you now in a little bit more depth. So we have popped new highs. The previous all-time high in this was from 1979, and this is this low here around 159, which has already acted as a little bit of support. But what we want to do is we want to map out a possible direction on the monthly charts first. We've created the all-time high, so we don't know as of yet how high this pair can actually go, just looking at the monthly charts. But when we zoom into the lower time frames, we will see how far we are likely to go, how much higher we're likely to go. So what I want to do first is map out possible target areas and possible areas on the chart, on the monthly charts, where institutional buyers might want to come back into the market to push the market to new highs or just take profits. So we've got this previous monthly high here. You see this up leg here, for this up leg to this high, this swing high, then we get this to this swing low, and then this swing low pops the new high, but then the market pauses here. You can see with this Mizuba candle, and then we get the new high from here. So this area here, spinning, whatever, I didn't really study candlesticks, but this candlestick here, we have the rally high, the pause in the market, and then the new high. So this pause will be an area of interest for me. So that's where buyers have sellers were able to pause the market, come in, strangle a little bit of control, and then but buyers came back in and push the market up higher. So this will be an area of interest. Plus we have this monthly high in here, swing high. This will be a nice target area for buyers to re-enter once the market sells off, and for short-term sellers to take profits. So it's around 152. So look at on the monthly charts, we also want to identify the origin of this move. Okay, just the last time. This is the swing low that actually started this leg up here. Okay, this is the origin, the start of the actual move up. So these are the kind of areas on the chart that we're looking at. Next, we want to look at the weekly charts. We want to zoom into the weekly charts and zoom down here. What we're actually seeing now is clear evidence that the market is topping out and buying exhaustion has entered the market. A little bit of water. You can see here this clear from this swing. We've had this clear 6 weekly green candles. And then as it's popping up towards the all-time high, sellers have started to come in. You get the new high, sellers come in, then we get the new high, sellers come in, then we get up to the new high, takes out the previous all-time high, sellers come in again, then we get the new high here, and sellers have come in again. This area here is a weekly. This is why I'm thinking the market is topping out. What I'm looking at, this is a newly created demand buy zone. Just an area where institutions, the market paused, sellers come in, and then large players were able to come back in and pop the market to a new high. Now, what's interesting about looking at this is that the market sold off last week, and buyers came back in, and they failed to create, and they failed to push the market up higher to new highs. Evident with this sell-off here, buyers did come back in last Friday and early this week, but sellers have come back in again. So this is all indicating that we're topping out, and what we need to do now is zoom into the daily charts just to see exactly what is happening there, because we should see a better picture of what's actually happening on the daily charts. So again, if you go through my introduction to the price action series on my YouTube channel here and go through the last video, you will understand what period regarding market cycles. We're now entering a period of distribution. After a huge rally in price, the market has started to move sideways on the lower time frames, and this is especially evident on the daily charts. The higher time frames you see this happening, the more probability that the top is in, and we're in for a reversal. So likely path now, if you go through my last video on introduction to the price action, period of distribution. Now we could have well already had the fake breakout here to the new high, and then the market's selling back off, but what I suspect may happen is we'll get a fake breakout above 164. The market will quickly retrace back inside the distribution period, head down, and we might get a slight bounce at this previous all-time high, but I don't suspect this will hold. The reason being, it's already been tested twice, and the second bounce is really the indication that strength of this support is diminishing, as it has failed to create anything new being a new high in the trend. The market can pack up to test the new all-time high at 164. It's sold off once and it's sold off twice, so the power of this support is diminishing, and I reckon the market will just break down straight through this area to head down towards this monthly level. There also is a weekly level that I forgot to mention, which will be here at 155, basically the last swing high on the monthly or on the weekly charts. So we can see that after the rally in price, the period of distribution. So the likely path for this is, we've had this, starting to get a support, we're starting to get a resistance here, fake breakout, comes back in the distribution period, maybe a small reaction here, and then breaks straight down through. 155 I think will be an initial area where we'll get a strong bounce back up into the period of distribution, and then selling off again down towards 152. Now that is what I'm seeing. just based on the monthly charts, buyers will be looking to enter again on the monthly areas what I've identified. What I want to be seeing, I'm not just going to blindly enter the market here, although I have started to position myself into this, is I want to see the market move up and use my TRFX indicator for a daily signal. The next really daily signal I see on the TRFX indicator, I'm going to be entering the market here. So whether the higher up it happens, the better. And again, I do not see this 158 when the market comes back down here holding. It's based on the diminishing power of the reactions at this. Although the first reaction did pop the new high, it wasn't all that higher than only a couple hundred pips higher. So based on higher time frame charts, that's not much. Then the market sold off again, and then this bounce here failed to create the new high. So we'll likely see a fake breakout, one final push, maybe up towards 164, fake breakout, and this area will basically just be taken out. 155 previous weekly swing high is the likely first easy target. So waiting for a daily signal, this is the plan. Waiting for a daily signal to occur, then enter the market. First easy target will be the 155 area, where I'll take some profits off. Wait for the bounce back up in towards the distribution period. Wait for another 12-hour or daily signal, and then and then enter the market again to sell off and down towards 152. So that is the plan of attack for this. If you want to get a written description of this trade, you can head over to TradingView. Just click on my most recent post, and you'll be able to get basically a breakdown of what exactly I've talked about in this video. It's a great setup. It has already moved 50 or 60 pips since I created the actual post, but I do want to see a daily signal on the TRFX indicator. Now, to access the TRFX indicator, there will be a link below in the comment area of this video or in the description area. Just simply head over, click that link, head over, enter your email. You'll receive an email from me to give me your TradingView ID and to make sure that you're following me on TradingView, and I will be able to give you access to this indicator. So again, as always, this is educational purposes. This is how I am trading the markets. Again, always trade at your own risk. If you like what you see and you want to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment below. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you bank some pips, and I shall see you on the next video. Will here over Pips and Gains. Hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better in the next video. Thank you.